Hello everyone, I'm Hisham Mackan. You are watching English with HM. On today's video, I am going to teach you how to combine two simple sentences without using conjunctions. We normally use conjunctions to combine sentences, but here you are going to learn to combine sentences without using conjunctions. There are many rules in grammar to combine sentences. Let's see the first one by using a participle. A participle is used when all the simple sentences have the same subject. Present participle is used when two actions happen simultaneously. Examples: he opened the door, he came in. Now we can see two sentences. The subjects are the same. Both sentences happen simultaneously. So when we combine these two simple sentences, we can use present participle. The answer will be like this: opening the door, he came in. We can see the same subject, so we have to use that subject only once. Another example: he took the ball, he scored a goal. These two actions happen simultaneously, so when we combine these two sentences, we will get the answer like this: taking the ball, he scored a goal. Having plus past participle is used when the first action is completed before the second starts. Examples: she finished her work, she went to bed. Now you can see there's a small gap between two sentences. So we can't use the first method, so we have to use another method. When we combine these two sentences, we will get the answer like this: having finished her work, she went to bed. Let's see another example. He typed the letters, he posted them. Having typed the letters, he posted them. Examples: the sun rose, the fog disappeared. When we combine these two sentences, we can't use the first method because the subjects are different. So we will get the answer like this: the sun having risen, the fog disappeared. Our next rule, by using an infinitive. An infinitive is used when a sentence expresses the purpose. Examples: he wants to become a rich person, he is working hard. When we combine these two sentences, we will get the answer like this: he is working hard to become a rich person. Another example: she wants to pass the exam, she is trying hard. When we combine these two sentences, we will get the answer like this: she is trying hard to pass the exam. Moreover, an infinitive can be used when a sentence expresses the cause. Examples: they were happy, they heard the good news. When we combine these two sentences, we will get the answer like this: they were happy to hear the good news. Another example: they got the PCR reports, they were scared. When we combine these two sentences, we will get the answer like this: they were scared to get the PCR reports. Object plus present participle is used when one action is in progressive tense. Examples: they were playing cricket. We saw them. When we combine these two sentences, we will get the answer like this. We saw them playing cricket. You can see a present participle after the object. Another example: she was walking to school. I saw her. I saw her walking to school. They played cricket. We saw them. When we combine these two sentences, we will get the answer like this. We saw them play cricket. We don't use playing or played. We just use stem verb there. Another example: she went to school. I saw her. I saw her go to school. By using a preposition by or for plus present participle. Examples: he will be awarded. He has found the medicine for COVID-19. When we combine these two sentences, we can use preposition plus present participle. He will be awarded for finding the medicine for COVID-19. Another example: she was praised. She has helped everyone. When we combine these two sentences, we will get the answer like this. She was praised for helping everyone. We can use by plus present participle in these situations. He teaches English. He earns a lot. When we combine these two sentences, we will get the answer like this. He earns a lot by teaching English. By using to plus adjective plus infinitive. To plus adjective plus infinitive is used in this situation. She is very small. She can't jump over the fence. When we combine these two sentences, we will get the answer like this. She is too small to jump over the fence. We can see a small change there. Very becomes too. Another example: they are very weak. They can't win the match. When we combine these two sentences, we will get the answer like this. They are too weak to win the match. You can see a small change there. That very becomes too. Let's see our final rule. By using adjective plus enough plus infinitive. Adjective plus enough plus infinitive is used in these situations. Examples: they are very rich. They can buy medicine for COVID-19. When we combine these two sentences, we will get the answer like this. They are rich enough to buy medicine for COVID-19. You can see a small change there. Very becomes enough. Let's see another example. She is very clever. She can pass the exam. When we combine these two sentences, we will get the answer like this. She is clever enough to pass the exam. Now you can see the difference. That very becomes enough. Well, we have come to the end of our lesson. Maybe you have learned a lot about combining two simple sentences. Thanks for watching our videos. Please subscribe our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon Then only you will get the notification when we upload brand new videos. See you again in another video.